Hi there! Did you know that the cycle of life is supposed to have started with a bang that led to events that we call the making of the universe? Scientists have stated that it was all due to the chemical reactions which we observe across the universe. Chemistry is a big part of your everyday life. One can easily observe these brands of science in the food we eat, the air we breathe, or the various cleansing agents we use. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make a DIY rocket which you can easily do at home, especially during this pandemic. The reaction in this experiment will be caused by two household items that you can easily find inside your kitchen pantry: the classic baking soda and vinegar. Other than those two materials, you'll also be needing an empty bottle, 3 chopsticks, and some tape. First thing first, I took off the plastic labeling of the bottle so it'll be easier to tape on the chopsticks later on. Next, take the chopstick out from the plastic wrapper and these chopsticks will act as our launching pad. Afterwards, start to tape the chopsticks onto the bottle. You'll only be needing 3 chopsticks and ensure that the chopsticks are tightly fastened. Next, pour in the vinegar into the bottle. In my experiment, I only filled the bottle halfway. Lastly, I used about 6 tablespoons of baking soda. To make pouring the baking soda into the bottle easier, I put it onto a paper towel first and rolled it. Take the baking soda from earlier and pour it into the bottle of vinegar. And don't forget to quickly seal it tightly. Also, remember to find a wide open space outdoor to do this experiment, as if you do this indoor, the aftermath will be difficult to clean. Now let's sit back and watch the reaction. As you just saw, the bottle blasted off to the sky similar to a rocket. The science behind this is pretty simple. 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate, also known as the baking soda, can react with 1 mole of acetic acid from the vinegar to yield 1 mole of sodium acetate, 1 mole of water, and 1 mole of carbon dioxide. The balanced chemical equation can be given in the following way. The carbon dioxide gas produced is what causes bubbles and foam when the two ingredients are mixed. Once the pressure inside the bottle builds up, the bottle will burst open and fly upwards like a rocket. Other than this experiment, you can also do many daily useful things with baking soda and vinegar, such as cleaning dirty pans after use or clearing clogged drains. So that's all for today's video. I do hope you found it fun and entertaining to watch. Thank you for watching.